Hi everyone, I am Abdul from AM Graphix. Today in this video, I will show you how to create a snack packaging mockup in Photoshop. So let's get started. First, make a selection of the snack pack. After make a selection of the packet, press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Now pick a rectangle tool and draw a rectangle to the packet size and convert it into smart object and reduce the fill. And now press Ctrl T and right click and select distort and just follow the step. Again press Ctrl T and select warp and hit OK. Now increase the fill back to 100% and create a clipping mask. Double click on smart object icon, place the design here. So go to file, place embedded and place. Transform it, hit OK, press Ctrl S to save, close this tab and see your design is added. Now change that blend mode to multiply. Go to blending options. Break the slider by holding Alt and drag with click and move to the left side. Hit OK. Your snack packaging mockup is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this trick helpful.